How to climb a wall. Alright, so first you go to your tools, then go to move on both hands, close out, go to a wall, select yourself with that, select yourself with this, then you could just do this. But you gotta be careful because you could also fly with this. You could just fly with one actually. Oh, it's this one. Yeah. Wait, this is like a perfect scene for like the Bone Lab trailer. Just wait. Wait, no, terrible idea. Terrible idea. Stop. Oh, this could be used for like a Bone Lab teaser trailer remake right here. Check this out. Yeah, that's perfect. Like honestly. Oh, I see the top. Let's go. Come on. Yes. I can climb the ceiling. Yeah. No, climb the ceiling. And I need my emergency rescue pod. Activate. That's the stove. Bro, what? Alright. That was my tutorial on how to climb walls. Possibly ceilings if you can get the hang of it. Anyways, see y'all later. Ah!